Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to sync the music perfectly with your edits in Filmora so your cuts hit every beat just like a pros do. Let's get started. First open the Filmora and create a new project. Then here import your video clips and add your background music track, then drag the both into the timeline. Right click your music track, and then here in the settings you can select and then search for the beat detection. Just click the smart editing tools and then click the beat detection. The Filmora automatically analyze the track and place the markers at each major beat. These markers are your rhythm guide. And then also here you can drag your clips around and trim them so that the transition, scene changes, and the visual effects happen right on the beat markers. This creates a natural and a rhythmic flow. And if you want more energy, you can use a jump cuts or effects with the music. This instantly makes your video feel more dynamic and engaging. And then play back your sequence and then fine tune the cuts until everything feels smooth and sync. Don't be afraid to shift clips slightly forward or back. And that's how you sync the music to your edits perfectly in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more editing tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.